For my third field study, I decided to go to the Church of St. Francis of Assisi on Sunday, March 10th, 2019, which actually happened to be the first Sunday of Lent. Stepping into the actual church was kind of surprising, as it was a lot bigger than I had expected, and it certainly doesn't look as big as it actually is from the outside. As you can see from the picture shown, the church is actually very beautiful on the inside. You can see the columns are decorated with a nice cold finish on the surface, and I had actually taken this picture right before Mass actually started, but a few moments later, each row was filled. Walking in, I was actually given a service sheet which had all the music for the entire Mass, and everybody was very kind. One of the first things before Mass actually started was we were asked if there were any first-timers to raise their hand, and everybody was pretty welcoming. And something that was pretty interesting that I've never seen done before is that one of the singers actually played a little snippet of each song and outlined each song that was going to be played in order for the congregation to familiarize themselves with the music that was going to be played before that night. It was evident from the start that this church really wanted to increase the participation of the congregation in terms of singing, and this was something that they stressed multiple times throughout Mass. And to my surprise, although this field visit was the most packed Mass I had gone to, I was surprised to find that it had the lowest levels of participation among the congregation. It is my personal opinion that the speaker system placed in this church did not do it much justice. I believe that upgrading the speaker system would increase the participation levels amongst the congregation. I did notice many people were actually mouthing the lyrics to the words while not actually saying them out loud. And I know that personally, when everybody else in the congregation is actively participating, it makes me want to participate more, and in turn, I just feel more connected to everybody in the church and the community as a whole, and I just leave with a much better experience overall. The next song that you're about to hear is called Merciful God by Mary Louise Bringle and Tony Alonso, which actually reminded me a lot of Change Our Hearts by Rory Cooney. This song actually reminds me a lot of the one that you're about to hear very shortly. When one composer takes the melody of one song and implements it into their own music, this is something that is known as sentenization, which is used to make the congregation be able to sing easier and ultimately become more involved. I also realized that the notes of both songs were written in stepwise notation, which further added to the similarity of the songs. Overall, I enjoyed my visit to St. Francis of Assisi, and the only complaints I can really make is that I wish they had a better speaker system and that the congregation would have been more involved, so that I could have had a chance to sing along as well.